Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, July 27, 2021. This is the week of the FOMC announcement. And within Discover, we have the ability to test things like the day of the FOMC announcement, but not just that. We can also test the day before and the day after the events. In fact, we can test the entire week of FOMC. But today, we're going to be looking at what has happened historically on the day before the FOMC announcement. So let me go ahead and get this set up. I'm going to select all four instruments here. The setup's going to be based upon entering the market long at the open of regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. And the exit's going to be set to 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, we traded lower early into the overnight session, and we are starting to bounce quite a bit. In fact, the NASDAQ just went positive. The S&P is still trading down, but I don't know which way we're going to be opening today, so I'm going to leave that out of this study, and that's something that you can go in and add on your own here in the opening filters. We'll just look at the day before the FOMC announcement on its own in a bull market environment. So to add the bull market environment, I'm going to add above a 10, above a 200-day simple moving average. Then I'm going to go into the market events section, and in the active today section, I'm going to take that second option available here, day before FOMC announcement. You can see when I clicked on it, it actually hit the equals sign right here for me, and it's been added to the test. So now this is everything that I want to look at, and I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at the open or regular trading hours, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time on the day before the FOMC announcement in a bull market environment. So historically, we've got 78 samples dating back to 2003 for the S&P. We've got 72 for the NASDAQ, 77 for the Dow, and 67 for the Russell. And win rates on these are fairly similar. You've got S&P coming in at 59%, NASDAQ coming in 60%, Dow coming in 66%, and Russell coming in at 55%. So they are all somewhere around that 60% mark for the four instruments that we're looking at here. And if we look at the average win and average loss, the S&P, the average loss is just a touch larger than the average win. For the NASDAQ, the average loss is larger than the average win. And then for the Russell and the Dow, they're both pretty similar in size. So we're not seeing a big difference in average win and average loss on any of these, other than the NASDAQ is the only one that's got some difference between the two. The others are pretty close in size, and the win rates on them are all pretty much in agreement that this day has historically been a little bit more favored on the upside. So again, that does not include the opening location, which is something that you can add here in the opening filters library once we get closer to the open and we actually know where we're going to open. So that's something you might want to dig into on your own. But hopefully you found this helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.